Good morning, dear students. How are you? Here is Mrs. Amarjit Kaur, your social science teacher. Today we will discuss the third chapter of Economics, grade 10th. Before moving towards that topic, let's watch a video.
Money. Money matters a lot in our daily lives. Nobody can do without it. You want to buy a book, you need money. You want to buy a shirt, you need money. What is that your mother puts in your pocket when you go out to the school? It is the pocket money, which you can use for buying a cold drink or a toffee while you are at school. We need money to buy things. We also get money when we sell things. The shopkeeper sells you things when you pay him the money. Look at the coins. Can you identify them? Children, I'm sure most of you have seen these notes, though not all the notes. Can you identify these notes? Paise 50, rupee 1, rupees 5, rupees 50, rupees 100.
Students, have you guessed about the topic? Definitely, you are thinking about money. Yes, absolutely right. Today, our topic is money and credit. Money plays an important role in our life. We buy and sell the things with the use of money. Now, the question arises, how did the people buy the things before the invention of money? Students, before the invention of money, there was barter system. To understand it, let's watch a video.
Evolution of money, from barter to digital money. Have you ever wondered how money came into existence? Centuries ago, there was no money. So how did people buy and sell? It all started with the barter system. Imagine a prosperous kingdom. In this kingdom, there were people doing different types of work, like weavers, cobblers, farmers, tailors, etc. This is Kisna, a farmer. This is Manoj, a cobbler. When Manoj needs vegetables, he goes to Kisna and exchanges a pair of slippers for the vegetables he needs. Both are happy. This is known as barter system. The system by which one person could exchange goods and services produced by him with goods and services produced by another. This is called a barter system. Barter system works on double coincidence principle. Two coincidences have to happen. One is that you should find someone who's willing to sell what you want, and second is that the seller wants something that you're willing to sell. But does barter system always work? The direct exchange of one commodity for another requires direct satisfaction of both parties. Now, Manoj needs more vegetables and goes to Kisna, but Kisna doesn't need more footwear. Hence, no barter takes place.
Students, no doubt, barter system is very simple method of exchanging the goods. But even then, there are some limitations of barter system, like lack of double coincidence of parts, lack of common measure of value, lack of store of value, lack of standard of deferred payments. Deferred payment is an agreement to pay for something at a later date, usually involving repayment by installments. Next one is commodity money. The most primitive type of money is commodity money. Primitive means old, commodity means thing. Some useful commodity that is in general demand is used as an exchange medium and may serve both as a means of payment and a measure of value. For example, nails, grease, salt. This is a picture of Japanese commodity money. First one, arrowheads, then rice grains, then gold powder. Cattle money. There are some limitations with cattle money, like need of double coincidence of wants, lack of standard measure of value, problem in storing value, problem of transferring value, deferred payment is not possible, problem of divisibility. Next one is metallic money. Some precious metals like gold, silver, etc., having common utility, were started using as medium of exchange, which were known as metallic money. These were easy to store and not get damaged, conveniently carry from one place to another, dividable in smaller parts. Next step was adding symbols to coins. These coins were standardized with weight, size, and color. Here, precious metal coins were replaced with less precious metals. This is modern form of money, rupees as well as coins. Now we can conclude anything which is used as a medium of exchange, store of value, measure of value, and standard of deferred payment is called money. Now the question arises, what are the functions of money? It is a medium of exchange because it acts as an intermediate in the exchange process. Secondly, it is a safe and accessible store of wealth as it maintains its purchasing power. Thirdly, it is a unit of account. It helps to transfer the value of the assets, properties, and also the income of the person to another person. In India, the Reserve Bank of India issues currency notes on behalf of the central government. As per Indian law, no other individual or organization is allowed to issue currency. Dear students, this is a picture of demand deposit. In this form, people deposit money in the banks. Banks accept the deposits and also pay an amount as interest on the deposits. Since the deposits in the bank accounts can be withdrawn on demand, that's why these deposits are called demand deposits. Students, have you ever listened the word check? Definitely, you have listened this word. Now the question arises, what do you mean by check? A check is a document which orders a bank to pay a particular amount of money from a person's account in whose name check has been issued. Now you might be thinking, why do we prefer check? In other words, what are the benefits of check? Students, it is more convenient than carrying cash. It is very safe method to send money. Let's brush up on the main points. Barter system. A system where goods are directly exchanged without the exchange of money. Next, types of money. Commodity money, for example, nails, curries, salt, grain, cattle. Metallic money, gold and silver coins. Paper money, rupees. Bank credit, it is money that a person can borrow from a financial institution. Electronic money, bank deposits, and digital currencies. The functions of money. It is a medium of exchange. It is a store of value. It is a unit of account. It is a standard for deferred payments. This is all about today's topic. Thanks. Stay safe.